What is up, guys? It brings me great pleasure to finally say Austin and I finally got in our own place with Omar. So there's something terribly big, nothing special, just 1,000 square feet. We could fit 1 car, 2 car, 3 car wide, and then 1, 2, 3, so 6 cars total. We need to adjust all of this, but we kind of just took everything we got and just threw it in here for now. We got a bunch of stuff to plan out. That bathroom, little sus. We gotta knock that down and build that out, and then put a loft up there. Boom, boom, boom. We'd build like a loft up there, a little chill spot, so it's out of the way, and we have more access down through here. Unfortunately, Austin and I, excuse me, have tested positive for COVID, so we've kind of just been like doing our own things from our friends and family, obviously. I just kind of came in here so far this week and just been working on the Legacy. Got the front mount racing, or front mount set up on from CX Racing. Shout out to Taylor and Jordan for giving me the deal on that. Beautiful white powder coating. It's all nice and good, but if you look nice and boom right there, where it gets hit by the hood the most and whatnot, it's just kind of getting a little scratched up. But otherwise, very nice. Advanced Auto actually had the little intake piece I needed right there with the MAP sensor. They got their own little adapters and whatnot for the Subarus, so that's cool. So that fit no problem. Really don't have much else going on, to be quite honest. I know it's a pretty boring week so far, and it kind of sucks being in quarantine, you know. Not that I haven't been quarantining, but I guess this is my version of quarantine. I could work on my car still and not be fully bored, but it's rough, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty rough. Body-wise, feel alright. Just like mentally, it's just tiring. I think I've slept like maybe 15 hours today. Just because I want to get it done and over with. I don't know. But you can only sleep for so long before you start to go crazy. So, one of our buddies dropped off his motor today. We're gonna, disassemble that, get rid of that manifold, the wiring harness, the fuel rails, all this shit. Take off the alternator, although he could probably use that. Take off the power steering pump, AC condenser, throw all that to the side, check the timing, make sure all that's good. And then we're gonna throw this with his USDM manifold into his 2000 Outback, and then have him be all situated so that way he could drive. He's just gonna drop it off outside of our door while we're not here, so no exposure to him. Hopefully by the time I'm done, I'll be done pretty quick. So by the time he's done, ready to pick it up, hopefully it'll be the full 2 weeks. But I know it'll take us like 3-4 days to do the motor swap, tranny pan, CV axles, and then wheel bearings, assuming we could do the wheel bearings, because I don't really have a press here. COVID kind of ruined that for me right now. Well, yeah, so kind of just been picking away at some things on the Legacy. I kind of did a quick little detail on it. In care of her for the most part. But since we've been so bored, did that front mount kit. Put my new Evo boost gauge in. And then when you put on your headlights, it changes to red. Really like that. I kind of really like how the blue stands out, actually. I'm not gonna lie. It is very nice. I do like this one a lot. And it just looks really cool. When it's freaking activated. Looks like progressive. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Watch for the latest builds. We'll be updating a lot from now on since we're seated in our own home. But this is not how it's going to stay. We will do big updates and keep you guys up to date with everything. But stay tuned for more content. Like, comment, subscribe, yada, yada, yada. Catch you next time.